Hi, I am Bhaskaran, currently working at Intimate Fashion India Pvt Limited. I am heading warehousing functions like FG and RM. During the expansion of our plant, we decided to shift our warehouse to current location to another nearby location. Since we are doing the lingerie products like Victoria's Secret, Decathlon, as well Jockey, like multiple customers, we thought we seen many vendors to put a very nice shelving systems. So finally we approached Godrej. What they presented, shown their pamphlets, we got impressed. The only one condition what we put to them is without stopping the current production, we want to erect the entire shelving systems, and which should be very suitable for our apparel products. So then we met the team, a detailed analysis they did in the place where we are putting the shelving system. So initially we thought of putting a shelving system only in the ground floor. When we saw their plan and their method of approach, we decided to give one more floor to them, like a first floor also. We got the material in on time, and team that came professionally, they did the very well erection, which is what they have given the complete solution. They thought about our product, our material, what is the tonnage we have to use, what kind of material they suggested, well and good. Our top management got totally delighted their service. Finally, we thanks to Godrej and thanks to their delighted service. Thank you.